can say it all sounds crazy. They can say you've lost the way.
Hey y'all! Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, I'm going to be doing a science experiment on Afterimages. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button on this video. Now, what are you waiting for? Let's get into it. The first step to this experiment is gathering your supplies, which are scissors, tape, a 3x5-inch piece of paper, 2 pencils, and some colors. Do you know your eyes have the ability to see images even after they're gone? These are called afterimages. Now, take your piece of paper and fold it in half. Crease it down the middle, like this. Unfold it. Want to cut right on that crease. Now you have 2 pieces of paper. Let's set one aside for now. Take this piece of paper and rotate it like this. We're going to be drawing a cage on this one. Make sure it's about in the middle. I'm going to add bars now. Okay, we're done with this one for now. Remember this little guy? We're going to also rotate him. But on this one, we're going to draw a bird. Make sure this is smaller than the cage. I'm going to add little wings, little feet, eyes, and a beak. Now we're going to color both of them. I'm going to use black for my cage. I'm just going to color in these bars as well. Done with that. I'm going to make this bird brown. I'm going to make the beak orange. And I'm going to do the inside, the wings, dark brown. Okay, we got them colored. Now for the next part, which is assembling. Now all your pieces are ready for assembling. You'll need a piece of tape. Take your piece of paper, put it on your pencil like this. You're going to take the top, then you're going to take the bottom, after one side's done, it should look like this. Now I'm going to do the same to the other side. Papers are leveled up at the back. Make sure they're perfectly aligned before you put on that tape. Here we go. Just do that bottom. Ta-da! We're done. To use this, you have to take your palms at the very, very bottom, right here. And you gotta spin it like this really fast. And your eyes will be able to see the bird in the cage. 1 second, like this. Oh yeah, that bird is definitely caught in there. You can do this with a lot of other things too. You can do flowers in a vase and water in a bucket. You can do way more. I hope you all enjoyed this experiment. Make sure you try this experiment at your house under parental guidance. I want to thank you all for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!
They can say it all sounds